नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, बैंक पेंशन अपडेशन केसेज इन डिफरेंट हाई कोर्ट्स एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स। अभी एमसी सिंगला केस, जिसकी उम्मीद है कि जुलाई में उसका कोई डेट आना चाहिए, और इसके पहले AIBOA ने जो केस लगाया था उसका 29 जुलाई को डेट है। इन द मीन टाइम एक केस वी राजन बाबू केरला हाई कोर्ट में बैंक पेंशन अपडेशन केस था। रिट पिटीशन 343611 ऑफ 2018 और जिसका जजमेंट 25 जून 25 को आया। और अकॉर्डिंगली कोर्ट ने डायरेक्ट किया राजन बाबू को कि आप पटिशनर नंबर 2 यानी कि यूनियन बैंक को एक एप्रोप्रिएट रिप्रेजेंटेशन दें जजमेंट के आने के 4 हफ्ते के भीतर। और श्री राजन बाबू ने ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन यूनियन बैंक को 10 जुलाई को भेजना है उनको, जो उन्होंने लेटर कॉपी की है। वी राजन बाबू, सीनियर मैनेजर, रिटायर्ड यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड CEO यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, subject ruling dated 25th June 25 of Kerala High Court in writ petition number 34611 of 2018. I am attaching a copy of the caption order directing me to file an appropriate representation to the bank with relevant facts and figures within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the judgment for updating my pension as provided in the pension regulation of the bank to enable the bank to pass an order on it within 8 weeks as specified by the court. The competent officer under the second respondent has been asked to consider the representation and pass the order after granting the petitioner an opportunity of being heard within a further period of 8 weeks. In connection with this, I am humbly submit that if the bank choose to hear me, the hearing may kindly be arranged at Kochi at its regional office, Ernakulam, in view of my advanced age and bad health conditions, or else the following matters may be taken as my submissions before the competent officer. First, as per paragraph 3 of the judgment, the counsel of the bank has submitted before the court that the matters in the writ petition had not been placed on record before the second respondent, citing it as the reason for not granting the updating of pension, or else the bank should have updated my pension. Regulation 35(1) of the pension regulations as amended in the year 2003 expressly provide that basic pension and additional pension, wherever applicable, shall be updated as per the formulae given in Appendix 1. Third point, the pre-amended regulation within the proviso vise in respect of employees who retired between the first day of January 86 but before the 31st day of October 87, basic pension and additional pension will be updated as per the formula given in Appendix 1, having shed the time frame of retirement of the employee for the purpose of updating, making the updating applicable to employee retiring any time, and the amended proviso cited in para 2 supra having given emphasis to the updating by importing the phrase wherever applicable, and also by substituting the words will be updated with the words shall be updated. There is no ambiguity that pension shall be updated synchronizing with the revision in pay scales arising out of the bipartite settlements concluded from time to time. Fourth point, had updating of pension not been intended under the Pension Regulation 95, the word updating would not have found a place in the initial provision of Regulation 35(1), and the provision would not have been amended in the year 2003 as shown in para 2 above. Fifth point, the Exhibit P11 settlement dated 29th October 93 is the precursor to the pension regulation, and clause 6 of it agrees that the dearness relief to pensioner will be granted at such rates as may be determined from time to time in line with the dearness allowance formula in operation in Reserve Bank of India, and clause 12 agrees that the provisions will be made by a scheme to be negotiated and settled between the parties to this settlement by 31st December 93 for applicability, qualifying service, amount of pension, payment of pension, commutation of pension, family pension, updating and other general conditions, etc. on the lines as are in the force in Reserve Bank of India. As such, there is no ambiguity that the bank has to the pension as was done in the Reserve Bank of India. Sixth point, the government too has no scintilla of doubt that if pension is the Reserve Bank of India is updated, pension in the other banks has also to be updated, as this is the reason it quoted for declining the updating of pension in the RBI as per Exhibit P12, letter dated 26 February 2018 of the Department of Financial Services, Government of India, Ministry of Finance. 7 point, the government has updated the pension in the Reserve Bank of India with effect from 1st March 2019 by various factors depending on the date of retirement of the employees as per Exhibit P13, later dated 5th March 2019, making it imperative that the pension in the nationalized bank also has to be updated from 1st March 2019, and arrears shall be paid with interest on accrual basis. 8 point, the government has sanctioned pension with retrospective effect from 1st November 93 in the regional rural banks on the basis of the settlement dated 29th October 93 as per Exhibit P15, later dated 3rd October 24 of the Department of Financial Services, which makes it conclusive that the settlement is very much in force and that the government or big banks are to update the pension by following clause 6 and clause 12 of the settlement on the pattern the updating of pension in Reserve Bank of India as seen in Exhibit P30. 9 point, the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court on 1st July 15 in Civil Appeal number 1123 of 2015, the State of Rajasthan and versus Mahendranath Sharma, which is applicable to the whole country, lays down that pension shall not be less than 50% of the running pay bands corresponding to the pre-revised scales of pay. The bank cannot plead ignorance of the law and refrain from the updating of pension. The non-revision of pension is in gross deficiency of the rule laid down by the Supreme Court. I request you to kindly pass an order with due cognizance to my aforesaid submissions at the earliest. थैंक यू योर्स वी राजन बाबू। और कॉपी किया है, कॉपी ऑफ जजमेंट इसमें इंक्लोज्ड है। एग्जिबिट P12, P13, 15 जो रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के पेंशन रिविजन है उसके अटैचमेंट किया गया है, और ये डिमांड किया गया इंडियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया से कि एज पर कोर्ट डायरेक्शन जो हमने अप्रोप्रिएट रिप्रेजेंटेशन में दे रहा हूँ ताकि आप पेंशन अपडेट कर सकें। फ्रेंड्स, जो जजमेंट की कॉपी है उसका मैं लिंक दूंगा, उस लिंक से आप उस जजमेंट को देख सकते हैं जिसमें कोर्ट ने ये डायरेक्शन दिया है बी राजन बाबू को। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।